Class 12 important questions, chapter 2, question number 28. Which one of the points I, comma, minus 2 plus I and 3 is farthest from the origin? Solution. Let the first complex number Z1 be I. Second one Z2 be minus 2 plus I. Third one 3. The distance from the origin is modulus of Z1, which is equal to 0 plus I. ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் மாடுலஸ்னா ரூட் ஆஃப் ரியல் பார்ட் ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் இமேஜினரி பார்ட் ஸ்கொயர். இங்கே 1 ஸ்கொயர் தான், 1 ஸ்கொயருக்கு ரூட் எடுத்தாலும் 1 தான். Distance from the origin, that is modulus of Z2 is equal to modulus of minus 2 plus I. Modulusனா equal to root of real part square plus imaginary part square equal to 4 plus 1 root 5. Third one, modulus of Z3 is equal to modulus of 3 is equal to root of 3 square plus 0 square equal to root of 9 equal to 3. Since 1 is less than root 5 less than 3, the farthest point from the origin is Z3, which is equal to 3. Therefore, the third point is the farthest point from the origin.